scoops with a spoon so wide. Mark's got a grin he just can't hide. Sam's got jelly dripping down his chin. A sticky mess, but they're all in. Jelly on the table, color so bright.
Today I'm going to show you how to make some jelly ads with AI. You saw the preview, and that is what we're going to make in this video. I'm going to take you through step by step to make your own. And if you're enjoying content like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button. I cover AI on a daily basis. You don't want to miss out. The first thing you're going to want to do is get an image of a person and an image of a logo. So in this example here, I have Elon Musk and the Tesla logo. Then I'm going to put in this prompt here, which I will have in the description below. Convert this image as the person is in a party in a dining room hall and everything behind them is partially blurry. The person holds the logo as jelly and has a small piece of the logo in his hands. We're going to click Tools and we're going to click Create Image and we can hit Submit. ChatGPT will come back with an image that looks like this. We're going to click this up here to download it to our computer. You're going to use a video generator of your choice, and I'll have a link in the description below for this one here. Basically, now we have a prompt that says the person holds up a logo as jelly and has a small piece of the logo in his hands, and he eats the small piece. So we can hit go. So with ChatGPT, with just a free account, you can generate one of these images per day. So pick out your person, pick out the logo, combine the two, you're going to get your first initial image, and then you're going to download that image, put it into a video generator. The one I linked you down below will give you 3 video generations per day. Use the prompts I've given you, and you can create your own. After a little bit of time, your generation will be done, and it will look like this. And you can see Elon Musk is eating the jelly and it looks pretty spectacular. So now you can go and take this exact idea, this exact prompt, and create your own concept with anyone eating any type of jelly logo you want. I think this is really cool. I thought this was a fun little video, and if you want to stay up to date with the latest AI news, apps, tools, everything AI, don't forget to click the subscribe button. I cover AI on a daily basis, and I enjoy doing these type of videos that kind of show you how to take AI and really bring it to the next level for art. So I've done one on the Baby AI podcast, and I've simplified that down as much as humanly possible. And I did one on the Yeti or Bigfoot vlog, and I simplified that down to like one little prompt, and it will generate the prompts for you. So check out those. I'll have them in the comments below if you want to follow more of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are on this one in the comments below. I thought it was kind of fun, and like the video if you enjoyed this type of content and tells the algorithm you want to see more of it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinAI.com where you're meant to be.